Hi guys, I'm going to make a little video here to show you how to get to your homework for today. Today we're going to be using Burlington English to practice some of the things we worked on in class today. So I'm going to show you how to do this on your phone, but you can also do this on your computer. It will follow the same steps. It'll just look a little bit different because it'll be on your computer. So first thing you do, I need you to find the Burlington English app. So you're going to click on the Burlington English app, then log in using your username and password. Hopefully I've sent you your username and password. If you don't have it, please let me know and I will send it to you. Then you will log in. Now yours will be a little bit different. Right when you log in, a screen will come up and there will be three options. You will choose the one that says away from school. Because this is homework, you're not doing this at school. So you're going to choose the box that says away from school. When you get to this screen, you're going to go to courses. For your homework today, we're going to be using Burlington Core High Intermediate. So it is this blue one here. Then you're going to go down to student lessons. And we are working on Unit 2, Education. So click on 2, Education. And then you're going to do number 1, Speak, Listen and Speak. You're going to click on number 1. So this is what we looked at in class today. We're also going to, let me just go back really quick. Up here at the top, you can see there are numbers. Those are the numbers for each of the activities you're doing. So let's go to number 1. Start at the beginning. It's going to look like this. It will look very similar to what we did in class. So that's what we're doing. You're just doing extra practice of the things we went over in class. So if you click on number 2, it's going to say, look at the pictures of the people. So on your phone, it might be small, but you can hit this plus, this with the magnifying glass, hit that, and you can see the pictures of the people. You can click the little minus to make it small again. And then just like we did in class, you're going to look at the reading where it says, Bernardo learned how to take care of patients in a dentist's office. With which certificate program did he complete? So you have a drop down and you're going to choose which one of these is the most likely answer. So choose which certificate he completed. Make sure you go through all of them. So this is number 1. Click this little arrow. You'll go to number 2. You'll do the same thing. Choose which she did. Done. 2, 3, and 4. Once you've done all of them, you can check your answers. Make sure you check your answers so you know if you're doing it correctly or not. Then you can go next. Look at some vocabulary practice. So number 3 is practicing some pronunciation. So you can listen to the words by hitting this play.
Commitment.
It's very quiet right now, but you can make it louder. Then after you've heard it, you can record yourself. So there's this picture of a microphone right here. To record yourself, you click the microphone and it will flash, and then say the word 1 time. So let me show you. I'm going to click it. Commitment. Good. Wait, and it will tell you how good you said the word. So after you do this enough, the program will learn some of your speech patterns, and it can help you with pronunciation. So if there's a certain letter or a certain sound that you have trouble with, the computer can work on that and help you practice it more. So number 3, you'll do that. I want you to record all of these words, so practice them all. And then you can always check and see if you've done them all correctly. Then go to number 4. So just like before, you're going to put these words in the correct spots in this conversation. So yours is going to be a little bit bigger than mine. Mine is very small right now. But up here is just a picture, but if you want to make it bigger, you can, and look at the picture better. But then you will drag and drop these into the correct space. When you're done, always click check and make sure you got the correct answers. Going to number 5. You're going to be choosing true or false. So based on the words that are in the sentence, is it true or false? Make sure you go through them all. There's 8 questions on this one. And then you can check it at the end. Go through as many of these as possible. For the listening, it's going to be the same listening we did in class, but it's also going to ask you some extra information. So you'll listen to it up here with the play sign. If you want to look at the picture, again, I think this one is just a picture, but if you want to look at the picture, you can hit this plus and then the minus to make it small again. Make sure you're going through all of the questions. There we go. And then check at the end. These are drop down, so you'll fill in the correct number or word. Number 7. So for this one, you're going to listen to specific parts of the interview again. So you'll hit this little play button to listen to part of the interview. And then you will fill in the correct word. So these are the options up here. And then you'll click on the empty spot and type in the correct word. So you'll scroll up, you'll listen to it here, and then fill in the correct word. There are 5 of them, so make sure you go through all 5. You'll listen and fill in the correct word for each of them, and then check when you're done. The last thing you'll do is number 8. There's only 8 activities for this one. So you will listen to the answer by hitting this play button in the corner, and then you will listen to the 2 options for the question. After you've listened to them, you will record the correct one. So let's do this first one together. Let me turn this up so you can hear it. So we'll listen to the question, or we'll listen to the answer.
The country. Yes, there are a lot of job openings across the country.
So that was the question, or that was the answer to the question. So then now you are choosing what is the question. So she said, yes, there's a lot of job openings across the country. And you can listen to it as many times as you want. Let's listen one more time.
Yes, there are a lot of job openings across the country.
And then we'll listen to number 1.
Do you need a bachelor's degree to advance in this field?
And listen to number 2.
Is there a demand for physical therapists right now?
So then you'll choose which one you think is the correct question that matches the answer. And then you will record it. So you'll click this and you will say the correct answer. So say the correct question. Say the full question. So I think it is number 2. Let's listen to number 2 again.
Is there a demand for physical therapists right now?
And then we will record it. Is there a demand for physical therapists right now? Okay. And then it recognizes which one you say, and it'll tell you if you are correct or not. So there are 5 of these. Make sure you go through all of them, and you will check as you go. So that is your homework. One more time to get there, you will go to Courses, Burlington Core, High Intermediate. You'll scroll down. It's the blue one. Student Lessons. Number 2, Education. Number 1, listen, and speak. And make sure you go through all of the activities. All right, if you have any questions, just let me know, and I will see you all in class on Wednesday. All right, have a good day, guys. Bye.